Hello guys, did you know that Meta company is getting your data from other services or through another activities like using websites or specific websites, and that websites and so on can send data and your personal data to Meta Technologies in order to perform better the ads for you and so on. That's why when you search about something and you want an ads on Meta Technologies. So the thing is so simple to how to find it and how you can show everything. All you can do go for three dots, then go for settings, yes, and then you will go for see more in account center, and then just drop here, and you will find password, and then you will go for your information and permission, and here you will find your activity of Meta Technologies. So here, guys, each thing you are visiting and so on is gonna be taken to that. You need to get the password and so on. So all the activity there. If you want to clear previous activity, if you want to manage the future activity, you can do that. So here you can connect future or disconnect your activity. You disconnect information that business organization send us about your interaction with them. So there is like some steps and some things like you are using as external websites. Those websites and organizations and to Meta in order to perform the ads and so on. So all what you need to do just go disconnect future activity in order that you don't want any this thing happen once again. I hope you like the video. Subscribe the channel. That's the most important. Like and share the video. Peace.